Hello everyone. As you know, my name is Muhammad Kumma. Today I will be presenting on the topic of consumer behavior in retail. So, on topic this explains how and why customers make purchasing decisions inside retail environment. Uh, Returns around the world from supermarket to online stores depend heavily on understanding consumer behavior to design so better shopping experiences, increasing sales and building long-term customers relationships. So in this presentation, I will explore the key factors that influences consumer behavior, different types to buying pat- patterns, decisions making process, and how major companies like Alphamart or uh, Starbucks use consumers inside to stay competitive. Let's begin by understanding uh, what consumer behavior means and why it is essential in retail. So, a definition of consumer behavior. Okay. Uh, Consumer behavior refers to the actions and decisions making process of individuals when purchasing goods and services. Okay. So, uh, so uh, uh, importance in retail understanding consumer behavior helps retailers optimize marketing, improve customer experiences, and increase sales. So, uh, in this step, so uh, it guides marketing decisions. Yeah, and what again helps design stories and product loyalty. And again, uh, influences pricing and promotions. So retailers use the knowledge to sell more effectively. So factors influence customer behavior. Consumer behavior is shaped by multiple factors that influence purchasing decisions. So, uh, key dimensions of consumer behavior. So, cognitive and affective, behavioral, and uh, society influence from family, friends, culture. So, so cultural factors culture, subculture, and societal values shape consumer performance. So, internet, internal motivation, perception, personality, learning, institute, and external culture, culture, family, social democracy, peers, and marketing. The factors shape what customers buy and how uh, they decide. Social factors, family and friends, and social groups affect buying societies. So, personal factors, age, occupation, lifestyle, and economic conditions influence consumer needs. So, culture, family, and social groups affect customers' preferences. People buy certain food, clothes, or brands because of culture, values, or family habit. Social media also influences buying decisions heavy. So, psychological factors, motivation, perception, beliefs, and attitude guide purchasing decisions. So, uh, customers go through five steps when making a purchase. Okay, recognize a problem and what search for information in a wallet options and buy the product in a wallet after buying. So retailers try to influence every stage to guide customers towards their brands. Okay. Mhm. Retail environment influencing. So retail at most phrases influence mood, perception, and shopping shopping duration. So uh, customer buying behavior, complexity, buying expensive items, high environment. So recording few differences between brands. Habitude, mhm, routine purchase, variety, seeking, trying new things for fun. Retailers must know which type their customers. Okay. Story, loyalty, design, loyalty, lighting and predicting, placement, shape, consumer flow and buying tendencies. So, uh, in this step, online behavior is shaped by reviews, mm, returns, influences, and personalization. Returns use data to recommend product and create smooth digital experiences. So pricing strategies on the return processing effective perceived value and can influencing impulse buying. So customers how mix online and offline shopping examples. Yeah. So research online buy in story. Try in story buying online. Yeah. So retailers need consistent services across all platforms. So consumer decision making process. So consumers follow several steps before making purchase decisions. Okay, let me clarify of this. Uh, Emotions such as trust, excitement, or not effective buying, story design, music, lighting, and story selling uh, can influence how customers feel and what they buy. Yeah. So problem recognition. The consumer identi- identifies a need, a problem. So uh, Almart use big data and technology too. So Almart use big data and technology to analyze shopping behavior, um, uh, personality marketing, and keep price low. Source how understanding consumer behavior create competitive advantages. So information research consumers uh, seek internal and external information. So retail face challenges face challenges like fast changing performances data uh, privacy concern economic changes in how much to stay flexible and in innovation evaluation of alternatives. Consumers compare different brand and product. Okay, so uh, Red Health can influence a customer by personalization, marketing, and running loyalty programs and designing engaging store experiences using social and media. Begin equal and sustainable. Purchase decision. The consumer chooses what to buy based on preference and evaluation. Okay, so uh, consumer behavior isn't always changing. Retailers who understanding customers' need and emotions will succeed, build loyalty, and improve profits. So post-purchasing behavior, customers evaluate Uh, Satisfaction after purchasing influences in loyalty.